In this video, I'll be showing CPU users an option for them to improve their code performance, or well, the inferencing time. So we can do this by using an onnx format model. So search up onnx runtime install, and it should be the first link right here. Copy these two lines to install onnx. Going to go to terminal. I'm going to paste them both. So requirements are already satisfied for me as I've already installed these two. But it should say installations will be successful if you're using version 3.9 of Python. If you're using version 3.10, the installations won't be successful. So onnx only works with version 3.9 of Python. So to make sure that I'm loading these models onto my CPU, I'm putting dot CPU brackets. Now this will load my model onto my CPU and run it on my CPU. So I'm going to export the models now. So YOLO v5 export should be the second link right here. Scroll down until you see this. Now it says add half precision for smaller file sizes, and it may also increase your model performance. However, with onnx, half precision does not work. So I'm going to copy this, go back in here, paste it into the console. Okay, we're going to be exporting it as an onnx model. For weights, I'm going to be using best.pt. In terms of this, I think I just copy the path. Copy relative path. And paste it. Okay. Now I'm going to put my current image size, or the image size that my model takes in, which is image and then 736. Okay. And I'm going to run it. Now it's successfully exported my model, as you can see here, best.onnx. It replaced the old one I had when I exported best.engine. So now with best.onnx, I'll show you the results. So with best.pt, you can see my in-game client FPS, I'm getting about 70, and it hinders the performance a lot. And the actual FPS of the cheat, I'm only getting about 10 frames, which is very little, 9 to 10 frames. So with this, you can barely do anything. Trigger bot will take forever. As you can see, silent aim works okay, not that well. And aim assist is not very good. Now, I'm going to switch over to best.onnx. Close this. Rerun it. So, as you can see now, let me just put the bots away. But my it has less of an effect on my client FPS. As you can see, I'm now getting 90 to 100 FPS, and I've essentially nearly tripled the FPS of the cheat client. Without recording software, I might be getting around 35 FPS, which is pretty viable for a slight aim assist and a bit of silent aim. That's basically it. It's an option for people using CPU. I don't have the best CPU out there. I'm only using a laptop Ryzen 7 5000 series on a better CPU might get better results. Anyways, I will see you in the next video.